Hello, dear student. We study today topic instruction set and programming of 8085. In that topic unit, we study data transfer group instruction. Firstly, we study the instruction. The instruction move R1, R2. Move R1, R2. Function whenever whenever this type of instruction is executed, then content of R2, that is source register content, is transferred or copy to R1, that is destination register. What I can say, whenever this type of instruction is executed, then content of R2, that is source register, is transferred or copied to R1, that is destination register. After execution, the content of source register in given instruction cannot be changed, but content of destination register in instruction is changed. It store content of source register. For example, suppose I have given register such like this: move B, C. Here C is source register and B is destination register. Any general purpose register at both sides you have used, such as register A, register B, register C, register D, register E, register H and register L. Suppose let A that is sorry, B is equal to 72H. C is equal to 92H. After execution, what happened? It is entered in this simulator. What I can take the content of B, MVI, the content of B is equal to 72H. The content of C is 92H. What instruction is given? Move B, C. Whenever this type of instruction execute, then what happen? The content of B, the content of C register copy to the B. Here I execute this instruction. Look here, after execution, B is equal to 92H and C is equal to 92H. That is, source register is C and destination register is B. Firstly, I executed from step to step. Whenever this instruction execute, what happen in B register? Look here, firstly I execute this instruction in B register 72H, then I execute MVIC, then this, whenever this instruction execute in C 92H, and whenever this instruction is executed, then content of C copy to the B. We stop here. Hello students, we discuss topic instruction set and programming of 8085 microprocessor. In that topic, we study unit data transfer instruction move R, M. What is this function? Whenever this type of instruction is executed, then content of M register, which is addressed by HL memory location, is transferred or move or copy to destination register given in instruction. The R may be any one of register. It may be either A, it may be either B, it may be either C, it may be either D, or either E, or either H, or either L. And M register, which is addressed by HL memory location. Here I mentioned an example such like here M, which have HL location 2300H. In that memory location, I have given 45H data. I take here E register. In that E register 56H data is given, and instruction move EM is executed. How it can be executed? Look here. Firstly, we initialized HL LXI instruction. The HL is initialized. HL is initialized with memory location 2300H. Then in that memory location data is given. That means 2300H is initialized, and in that memory location 45H data is initialized. Whenever this is executed, that is in that memory location 45H is initialized. Then register E is initialized with 56H. Then instruction EM. The HL is initialized with 2300H, MEIM 45H. This instruction M have content 45H, that is approximately 2300H content 45H data, and E register content 56H data. Then execute this step by step. Firstly, I executed LXI H 2300H instruction. Look here, HL is initialized, 2H is initialized, 23, L is initialized 00. That is HL is initialized 2300H. Here M is before execution 00. Whenever it is executed, then in M register 45H is come here, and in memory location 45H is initialized. In E register before execution 00, whenever it is executed, then in E register 56H data is comes, and whenever I execute this our instruction move E comma M, then what I can say here, the M is register memory register which is addressed by HL, and in example HL location is 2300H. In that location 45H data, that data is copied to E register, that is here in E register 56 and M register 45H. That means this 45H, that is M content, is copied to E register. Look here, in E register 45H, in M register 45H. We stop here.
Hi student, we discuss topic instruction set and programming of 8085 microprocessor. Unit data transfer instruction, and instruction is move M, R.
Move M comma R. What is the function of this instruction? function. Whenever this type of instruction is execute, then content of R, that is source register, that is we mention here register A or register B or register C or register D or register E or register H or register L. That content is move, transfer, copy to M register, which is addressed by HL. That is, the content of given register in instruction is copied to HL memory location given in instruction. Look here, I initialize HL 2300H. I firstly take this HL address content 23H, that is in memory location 2300H. The content is 23H, or suppose I will take as like this, initialize this memory location, and in this memory location 23H data is given. Then what happen, the instruction move M comma R is executed. The register I initialize such like B register, it have 45H data, then I execute this instruction move what we studied MR, that is MR. Here R is specified, what register, B register, move M comma B. Whenever this instruction is executed move M comma B, what happen, the content of B register is copied to HL, that is memory register, which is addressed by HL. That is here HL is addressed with 2300H, and in that memory location 23H data is given, and I execute the instruction move M comma B. What I can say, the content of B is transferred to HL, that is content of B here I mentioned 45H is transferred automatically here. I execute this step by step instruction, step into, look here, MAB 45H instruction is execute. After execution B is equal to 45H. Then the instruction move M comma B is executed. After execution this instruction, what happened, in M registered 45H, in M register 45H, but whenever I execute firstly M is initialized with 23H. Again I execute, step by step, look here, whenever this instruction execute in B register 45H and M is initialized with 00H, and whenever this instruction is executed, then in B register 45H, in M register 45H, that is in M register 45H is initialized. We stop here.